Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. I just finished up my shave, and while I was shaving, something dawned on me. I had one of those light bulb moments that happens every once in a while. Thomas Alva Edison, didn't he have about 1,000 failures before he finally invented the light bulb? Don't give up, right? Never give up. Keep pushing on. I know you love REO Speedwagon. Okay, enough music talk. But don't dentists and middle-aged guys really love REO Speedwagon? I think it's true. You can research it. All right, enough music talk. Here we go. The thought that I had was, when you're shaving and you go underneath your nose, my mustache hairs, they grow all the way up to the very bottom of my nose. If you let them go, they'll grow into the nose. So I like to keep those neat and trim. And normally I just go like this, come across, and remove most of them. But there's still a few little stragglers you just can't get rid of. And the reason why is because if you look closely at your razor, there's a slight gap of about 1/8 of an inch. The blade does not go all the way to the edge of the top cap or the safety bar. It stays just a little bit inside of it. And that might be a safety feature, but I haven't seen, if you've seen any razors where the blade comes out to the very edge where when you do this, you're able to remove those hairs, let me know, because I haven't seen one. I've got several here. The Progress, you could see, it stops just short of the edge. It doesn't go to the very edge. Here's a R89 Grande. Again, the blade stops just short. Here's the DE89. Again, you can see the blade doesn't go to the very edge of the top cap or safety bar. And here's the Merkur Futur. You can see that it does not either. So how do you shave those little stragglers right underneath the nose? The best way, watch this. Dab a little shaving cream. You can use your brush or you can just use your finger to hit that area. All you want to do is get directly under the nose, like that. So I can go like this, and I get pretty close, but I don't get all the way up there, because that blade doesn't come all the way to the edge. I can get very close to it, but what you really need to do, push your nose up out of the way, and then scoop under, and you can get right into that area. It's called the philtrum, by the way. P-H-I-L-T-R-U-M, philtrum. You want to shave that area. Push your nose up and out of the way, and then just scoop down right under it. And that's the best way to remove those hairs. Perfect. See that? So if you want to shave directly under your nose and remove those little straggler hairs that will grow up into your nose if you let them keep growing, and it does look kind of unsightly. You have a nice clean face, smooth skin, no beard showing, but you have some little black hairs that are still directly under your nose that are a bit noticeable. That's the best way to get rid of them. Push your nose up and out of the way, and then scoop under, and you can really clean that area out. Don't forget to click that subscribe button before I head out, and then click the bell, then click all. That way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.